Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is water animals. Water animals are animals that live in water. Let's name them one by one. Crab, dolphin, fish, shark, starfish, octopus, whale, seahorse, crab. A crab is a sea creature with a flat, round body covered by a shell. It has 5 pairs of legs with large paws on the front pair. Dolphin. Dolphins have smooth, rubbery skin and are usually colored in some mixture of black, white, and gray. They have 2 flippers on their sides, as well as a fin on the back. Fish. Fish are aquatic vertebrate animals that have gills but lack limbs. Shark. Sharks typically have a tough skin that is dull gray in color and is roughened by tooth-like scales. Starfish. They are marine invertebrates, usually have central discs and 5 arms. Octopus. They have bulbous heads, large eyes, and 8 very useful arms. Whale. Whales are large, intelligent aquatic mammals. They have sleek, streamlined bodies that move easily through the water. Seahorse. Seahorses are an upright fish. They have horse-shaped head with a long snout and puckered mouth. Let's name them one more time. Crab, dolphin, fish, shark, starfish, octopus, whale, seahorse. Let's read and spell. Crab, C-R-A-B, crab. Dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Shark, S-H-A-R-K, shark. Starfish, S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H, starfish. Octopus, O C T O P U S. Octopus. Whale. W H A L E. Whale. Seahorse. S E A H O R S E. Seahorse. Now that you know some examples of water animals, it's your turn to name them. Let's do it! Seahorse. Fish. Crab. Shark. Dolphin. Starfish. Whale. Octopus. Let's read the words. Crab. Dolphin. Fish. Octopus. Seahorse. Shark. Starfish. Whale. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you in our next episodes.